Hi, it's Jennifer Vick with Jennifer Vick & Company at Keller Williams. Wanted to give you a video tour of our latest listing at 12431 Maytell Court. That's Charlotte, North Carolina 28277. Here's our number if you want to call for more details. And here's a quick view of this beautiful cul-de-sac lot. Perfect location, less than a mile from Waverly and less than a mile from the Union County border. Tucked back in the street. So let's take a look. This is a full brick home, over 5,000 square feet, 2-story with a basement. You have 5 bedrooms with an additional bedroom in the basement, which serves as a second living quarters because there's a kitchenette. Here we have what could be used as a formal living room or a study. We've got 2 walls of built-ins, brand new carpet, and a great window seat. Tons of natural light in this house. I'm gonna go across the open foyer, give you a sneak peek of what you see when you walk in. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's your formal dining room. Deep moldings, large windows, gorgeous refinished hardwood floors. Have a nice powder room, conveniently located right off of the foyer. Here's your knockout great room. 2-story vaulted ceiling, gas logs, beautiful arched windows, fantastic refinished hardwood floors. Off of that, you have a study. Could be used as a secondary playroom, a study, piano room, French door entry. And here we enter the breakfast room, right off of the sunroom. Look at that fantastic view to the pool. And a fully updated kitchen, glazed cabinets, custom glazed, double ovens, 4-burner gas cooktop, stainless refrigerator conveys. Got a fantastic pantry, and a laundry room with utility sink, extra storage, coat closet, and direct access to the garage, which has built-in cabinetry, a workbench, and freshly epoxied floors. Sunroom. Here's your great outdoor space. You've got a large deck, fantastic pool deck, with pool and hot tub, built-in grill, fully fenced, and nicely landscaped. Here's the back of the house. Gonna take you for a quick tour upstairs. A master suite with double door entry, fully updated master bath. Check out this tile shower. Got a water closet and a soaking tub with skylight. And dual vanity with a dressing area, white cabinetry. master bedroom. Fantastic tray ceiling. And you've got a walk-in closet over here in the corner. If you look at upstairs, here is the view to the downstairs area. Bedroom 1, plantation shutters throughout, nicely sized closet, Jack and Jill bath with dual vanity, tiled shower, tub combo. Bedroom 3, this one has a walk-in closet. Bedroom 4, another Jack and Jill bath, brand new granite countertops in this one, white cabinetry, linen closet, and once again, a nice tiled tub shower combo. So this leads to the 5th bedroom, which could also be used as a bonus room if you'd like. Vaulted ceiling, you've got 2 attic storage areas. Great storage in this house. And then this one also includes a walk-in closet. So 3 bedrooms upstairs with walk-in closets, 2 with super ample closet space. And that concludes the tour of the first 2 floors. Follow our next video and I will show you the basement. Call us to schedule a tour if you'd like some more details and you just can't get out this weekend. Happy to send you some more photos, disclosures, all the updates you would want for this beautiful home on Maytell Court. Priced at $705,000, 2-story, over 5,000 square feet, basement with a bedroom, theater room, recreation room, and a second kitchen. Thanks so much for taking our tour. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.